Hello and welcome to today's session in our Klaviyo course. In this lesson, we are going to explore one of the Klaviyo's most powerful features, which is the Predictive Analytics. This tool will allow you to tap into your customers' data and predict their next steps and tailor your email marketing strategy to optimize both engagement and sales. So by leveraging Predictive Analytics, you can make smarter and more personal marketing decisions as well. So this session will break down the steps clearly so you can seamlessly incorporate these insights into your email campaigns. So now, without wasting any more much time, let's dive in. So the first question is, what is Predictive Analytics in Klaviyo? So Predictive Analytics in Klaviyo uses advanced machine learning to analyze historical to customer data, introducing purchase history and also email engagement, browsing activity, and more. And this analytics helps Klaviyo predict future customers' behavior as well. So for example, Klaviyo can predict when a customer is likely to make another purchase or which customers may be at risk of unsubscribing, and also which subscribers or customers are most likely to open your emails or click on product links. So by utilizing these predictions, you can craft tailored and targeted email campaigns that align with your customers' buying behavior and increase overall engagement. So now, how does Predictive Analytics works in Klaviyo? So Klaviyo Predictive Analytics looks at variety of key customers' behaviors to forecast future actions. So these insights allows you to optimize your email marketing strategy in real time. So the main data points Klaviyo analyzes includes customer purchase history. So what they have purchased or how often or even when was their last purchase. Similarly, there is also email engagement. So this includes how often do they open your emails or do they click through your content or not. And the next one is website behavior. So this contains what products are they have browsed or did they abandon their cart or not. So there are some real life examples as well predicting next order data. So let's say you run an e-commerce store that sells beauty products, and Klaviyo might predict that a customer named, for example, let's say Sarah, who purchased a face cream 6 months ago, is likely to purchase it again in the next 2 weeks. So like these kinds of predictions, you can send Sarah a personalized email to remind her she's due for a reorder or offer her a discount to encourage the purchase at the perfect moment. So moving on, let's see how we can use Predictive Analytics for better segmentation. So Predictive Analytics enables you to segment your customers not just based on past behavior, but also on predicted future actions as well. So this allows you for more dynamic and targeted campaigns. So for that, you need to do is log into your Klaviyo, and after that, here on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you can see the campaigns option. So you can simply create a campaign, click on this, and let me just fill this out quickly. Then after that, you can prepare a script writing a subject line and preview text, so it will be easy for you to put the subject line and preview text as well. So some of the examples are dynamic segmentations using Predictive Analytics, which are high-value customers. So based on historical data, these customers are predicted to make a larger purchase in the future. So you can create a segment for high-value customers and send them exclusive offers or early access to new products as well. Next one is at-risk customers. So these customers may be predicted to churn, meaning they are at a risk of unsubscribing or even abandoning their brand loyalty. So you can target these customers with the win-back emails to encourage them or re-engage with your brand. And the next one is the purchase soon. So these customers are showing buying signals, for example, frequent visits in your sites, or you can even create a segment of customers who are predicted to make a purchase soon and send them personalized offers or product recommendations as well. Now that we have covered the basics, let's walk through how you can set up predictive analytics in Klaviyo. So first of all, step number one is to integrate your data. So before Klaviyo can provide predictive insights, your e-commerce platform, for example, Shopify or even WooCommerce, needs to be integrated with Klaviyo. So make sure you integrate WooCommerce or even Shopify with Klaviyo, and this ensures that Klaviyo can track important customers such as purchases, email interactions, and website browsing activities as well. So we have shown in earlier videos that how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify or WooCommerce, so make sure that you can check that video out. So step number two is create segment based on predictions. So once the predictive analytics is enabled, you can create segment based on the predictions Klaviyo provides. So for example, you can predict next order date. So you can segment customers who are predicted to purchase in next 30 days and send them a personalized email offering a discount. So for that, you simply have to log into your Klaviyo. Then after that, on the dashboard, left-hand side, you can see the option of list and segments. So simply click on this and you can create new segment. And after that, as we are creating the segments for all the required things, keep your name. For example, I say segmented, and you can edit here in 30 days. Similarly, you can also create a segment, for example, at-risk customers. So you can segment customers at risk of churn and send them with a win-back campaign as well. Similarly, you can also create high lifetime value customers. So you can create a segment for customers predicted to have high time or lifetime value and send them exclusive offers or early access to promotions. So if you have any confusions, we have also created a video on how to create new segments. So make sure that you check those videos as well. And after that, step number four is you can send personalized campaigns. So once your segments are created, it's time to send hyper-targeted campaigns. So you should tailor each email to match the predicted behavior, ensuring relevance and higher engagement as well. So after all this, next step is monitor and optimize. So Klaviyo's predictive analytics continuously teams for new data, so improving its accuracy over time. So as you send more campaigns and track results, the tool refines its predictions, allowing you to optimize your email strategy. So be sure to track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to measure the success of your predictive analytics-driven campaigns. So you can use these insights to further refine your segments and improve future campaigns as well. So after that, these are some benefits of using predictive analytics. So by incorporating predictive analytics into your email marketing strategy, you can 1. Deliver personalized experience. Anticipate your customer's next step and send tailored offers at the perfect time. Second is you can increase engagement and sales. So target the right customers with the right offers and improving chances of conversion. Next is reduce churn. So identity at-risk customers and take proactive steps to re-engage them and ensuring customer retention. So here is the conclusion. Klaviyo's predictive analytics feature is a game changer for your email marketing efforts. By understanding and anticipating your customers' behavior, you can create more personalized or timely and relevant email campaigns that drive higher engagement and even sales. Start implementing predictive analytics today and begin creating email campaigns that not only meet your customers where they are, but also anticipate their needs as well. With continuous refinement and testing, your email strategy will evolve, bringing in more revenue and stronger customer relationships. So thank you for joining in today's session. So stay tuned for more advanced Klaviyo strategies to make your email marketing to the next level. Happy sending!